Want to get warm fast? Here's how to turn on the heated seats in your Tesla. Since 2012, Tesla's heated seats are controlled exclusively via the central touchscreen. First, access the touchscreen, then navigate to Controls, then Climate, then Seat Heaters. Now select the seat you want to heat, front left, front right, or rear if available. And choose a heat level from 1 to 3, with 3 being the highest heat setting. For even faster access, look for the seat heater icon on the climate screen when the AC is already on. This gives you one-tap access to turn on your heated seats. This shortcut can save you time and get you warm even faster. Once you've accessed the seat heater controls, you can choose between 3 heat levels: low, medium, and high. Experiment to find the level that's most comfortable for you. Keep in mind that higher heat settings will use more energy, so adjust accordingly to balance comfort and energy efficiency. To turn off the heated seats, simply tap the seat heater icon again. This will cycle through the heat levels and eventually turn the heater off. The heaters may also auto shut off after a set time, typically around 30 minutes in newer software versions, to prevent overuse and conserve energy. If you want to manually override this auto shut-off feature, you can adjust the settings in the climate menu. Tesla's full self-driving version 13 update, released in Q2 2025, added voice-activated controls for heated seats through the onboard AI assistant. This allows hands-free operation while driving. To activate seat heaters, simply say, "Hey Tesla, turn on seat heaters to medium." The system supports various heat levels and seat positions. This feature enhances safety by allowing drivers to adjust comfort without touching the screen, keeping focus on the road. Heated seats in Tesla vehicles use resistive heating elements embedded in the seat cushions and backrests. These elements are powered by the vehicle's high-voltage battery and draw between 100 and 300 watts per seat, depending on the selected heat level and the ambient temperature. To prioritize battery conservation, Tesla's software now auto-adjusts heated seats based on cabin temperature and user preferences. This intelligent system reduces energy consumption by up to 15% compared to earlier versions, helping to preserve your vehicle's range. Despite these efficiency improvements, using heated seats still has a small impact on your driving range. In extreme cold conditions, they can reduce your range by about 1 to 2 miles per hour of use, as shown in Tesla's battery consumption data. All Tesla models support wireless app control through the Tesla mobile app. This feature allows you to preheat your seats before you even enter the vehicle, providing instant comfort, especially on cold days. Simply open the app on your phone, navigate to the climate controls section, and activate the seat heaters remotely. If you encounter issues with your heated seats, such as unresponsiveness, start by checking for software updates. Occasional software glitches have been reported, but these are usually resolved with the latest updates. If the issues persist after updating, reach out to Tesla Service for assistance. Keep your Tesla app or website updated for the latest feature changes and troubleshooting guidance.